My gosh, it's been a long time. Hey guys, welcome back. So I know it's been a long time since I've been alive on YouTube, but here goes to nothing, right? I spent the last 6 months just trying to get myself caught up with all of my commissions, and now I find myself at the tail end of my commission, so I'm very happy that I'll be able to take some time to post now. I've got tons of content for you guys. I got like all kinds of videos for all different types of projects, so stay tuned because I got a lot of stuff. All right. What we have here today is Captain Marvel. I mean, when I did this was a while back when the movie first came out, and I was a little skeptical of the movie. I wasn't sure if it was going to do well because Brie Larson has kind of like a stoic sensibility to her acting style, and I felt like I don't know, she might be a little bit much or too heavy for the role, but man, she really knocked it out of the park. I was very excited and very happy with the way it turned out, and the character is incredible. I mean, she's just the most powerful Avenger there is, period, and I really feel like the whole situation would have been over if she was there, like, I know they had to do that, like, she had to be elsewhere thing just to give everybody some shine, but I swear to God, if she was there, it would have been over from, there wouldn't have even been an end game. It would just been like, oh, you have jewels? Cool, game over. So anyway, I wanted to show a full sketch to paint process with this one, so I showed all of the references I used and all of the rough drawing I did underneath, and I did it in like I think it was like a brown color or something like that, just to quickly get a brown or a red or something, just to get the idea across, and then I'd go back in and like erase it and draw over it with another layer of black lines. Now I'm using Photoshop for this, and I'm liking Photoshop, but I'm also finding that Photoshop is one of those tools where, like, there's so many nuances to the brushes that you really have to get extraordinarily technical with the brush settings in order for you to find your kind of sweet spot, and that kind of is daunting when you don't know what you're looking at. Maybe at some point or another I'll make another video just dedicated to breaking down brushes and what does what for which part of the brush and what have you. I'm still not quite completely comfortable with it, and I myself am kind of a purist. I don't like just kind of copying out and using fancy brushes to give me effects and stuff like that. Like, yeah, I think it's great, I think I'll use it, but I don't know, maybe it's just me being stubborn. So I generally just use like a circle brush, or I have 3 major brushes. I have a circle brush that's completely hard. I have a circle brush that's light in opacity when I with opacity pressure. So when I press hard, it gets darker, and when I use less pressure, it gets more transparent. Now, some people don't like working this way, but it kind of helps when you're trying to create gradations, or you're trying to create soft transitions from one color to another. It comes in handy, and I find myself switching back and forth between the opacity pressure brushes and the hard no opacity pressure brushes, both of which are just basic rounds. They're not angles or fancy brush patterns or whatever. That I haven't gotten into all that kind of stuff yet, but I mean, maybe like I said, I'll put together a video where we just explore different things, and we can do it together, and then you'll learn with me. So basically, you're just gonna see me break down the character. You're gonna see me draw the character out in its entirety, and then you're gonna see me draw or really paint the background, because the sky is its own beast. I try to keep the sky and the character separate, and then just build up the layers from darkest to lightest. And then sometimes I'll have to go back in because I don't always get the correct values or what have you. But I mean, I think that's pretty much straightforward. If you guys ever have any questions, or if you have or any comments or critiques. I'm open to everything. So anytime you guys have any problems or whatever, my door's open to you. Just leave me a little note in the description, or in the description, the comment box, and I will respond post haste. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this, and please do look out for more stuff, because coming soon I'm gonna take some more time to do this year, because I really miss YouTube. It was good to me last year, the year before, when I was doing the Inktober for the first time, when I went through actually everything. But I'm gonna try to do it more this year, so you can look forward to that. Hopefully maybe once or twice a month if I can really squeeze in the time. Maybe once a month if I can't, but stay tuned one way or another, okay? Anyway, thank you guys. I really appreciate your support. If you dig it, please share it with a friend, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
progress, good things go slow. I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again.